Hey there, drone fans. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting list for you. Get ready as we count down the top 5 best drones on Aliexpress under $50. All the links of the drones are in the description below the video. Subscribe our channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So, let's get started. Have you ever wished that you could capture your adventures from a whole new perspective? Introducing the S5S Mini drone, the perfect tool for all your aerial photography needs. The S5S Mini drone is packed with amazing features like intelligent obstacle avoidance, dual lens switching, and 360-degree view. With brushless motors and optical flow positioning, this drone is built to perform. Take stunning photos and videos with ease, thanks to its aerial photography capabilities and real-time transmission. And with trajectory flight, capturing the perfect shot has never been easier. Want to take your adventures to the next level? The S5S Mini drone's mobile phone control and headless mode make it easy for anyone to use. With one-touch takeoff and landing, you can focus on the fun while the drone does the work. And when you're done, simply fold the fuselage for easy storage and transportation. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a beginner, the S5S Mini drone is perfect for any adventure. Get yours today and see the world from a whole new perspective. Are you ready to capture stunning aerial footage of your adventures? Then you need the P9 4K foldable camera drone. With its powerful features, this drone is perfect for capturing every moment of your outdoor activities. The front lens is equipped with a wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi camera, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial views. And with the added electronic anti-shake feature, your footage will be even clearer. The bottom of the drone features a high-definition optical flow lens that can switch camera angles, along with a servo pan and tilt stabilization design. With an ultra-long life 3.7 volts, 1800 mAh lithium battery, you'll have up to 20 minutes of flight time. It only takes 80 to 100 minutes to fully charge. This drone also features customizable routes, allowing you to draw your desired flight path directly on the app. And with mobile phone control, one-button return, headless mode, and other features, piloting the drone is easy and intuitive. The P9 is also equipped with obstacle avoidance technology and can stop when encountering obstacles, making it even safer to fly. With its lightweight design and 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, it is easy to carry and control. So why wait? Get your hands on the P9 4K foldable camera drone today and capture stunning aerial footage like never before. Today, we're going to introduce you to the S1S Mini 4K Professional drone. With its impressive features, this drone is designed to give you an unparalleled flying experience. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi, providing crystal-clear footage. Additionally, the bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle, giving you a versatile range of viewing options. With its ultra-long endurance 3.7 volts, 1800 mAh lithium battery, you can fly the drone for about 18 minutes on a single charge. More than enough time to capture all the breathtaking views. You can customize your flight path by drawing it on the app. This feature lets you fly wherever you want with ease. The app mobile phone control makes it even more convenient to operate the drone, with features such as one-button return, headless mode, and ascending, descending, forward, backward, left, and right side flight. You can even take amazing photos with the hand gesture photography feature. With optical flow positioning and brushless motors, you can be assured of a smooth and stable flight. The brushless motor provides more power and a longer service life. The size and weight of the product are light, making it easy to carry around. The body weight is only 123 grams. With 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, and more stable flight. The S1S Mini 4K Professional drone is the perfect choice for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage and experience the thrill of flying. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the S1S Mini 4K Professional drone today and start exploring the world from a whole new perspective. Introducing the K9 Pro RC 4K Professional drone, the ultimate way to capture stunning aerial footage. Equipped with a 4K electric modulation dual camera, you can capture incredibly detailed and crisp footage from high above. And with 4-way obstacle avoidance technology, you can fly with confidence, knowing that your drone will avoid any obstacles in its path. Even when flying at night, This drone excels with its high-light night navigation light, ensuring that you can see where you're going even in low-light conditions. With just one press of a button, you can effortlessly launch your drone into the sky or bring it back down to the ground. And when you want to capture stunning footage from a stationary position, the beauty shooting feature allows you to do just that. Plus, with optical flow positioning technology, you'll be able to fly precisely and steadily, even when you're flying close to the ground. And for when you need an extra burst of speed, the speed switch feature allows you to quickly adjust the drone speed to match your needs. Finally, with its HD image transmission technology, you'll be able to stream live footage of your flight directly to your phone or tablet. The K9 Pro RC 4K Professional Drone, the ultimate way to capture stunning aerial footage. Order yours today. Introducing the K6 Pro RC Drone, your professional 4K dual-camera companion. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to capture stunning aerial shots with ease? Meet the K6 Pro RC Drone, your ultimate professional drone companion. With its 4K dual camera and advanced features, taking breathtaking shots has never been easier. Let's take a closer look at what makes the K6 Pro RC Drone stand out from the rest. The K6 Pro RC Drone comes equipped with 4-way obstacle avoidance, ensuring that your flight is always safe and secure. The highlight night navigation light allows for easy tracking, even in low-light conditions. The one-button takeoff and landing feature ensures that even beginners can take to the skies with ease. The beauty shooting feature captures stunning visuals with ease, making you look your best from any angle. The optical flow positioning keeps the drone stable and steady, even in windy conditions. The speed switch allows you to switch between slow and fast speeds, giving you complete control over your flight. With the 360 degrees roll feature, you can perform stunning aerial acrobatics with ease. Using the app control feature, you can easily control your drone using your smartphone. The trajectory of flight feature allows you to plan and execute your flight path, repeating it as many times as you like. With the headless mode feature, you don't have to worry about the drone's orientation, making landing a breeze. And with the gesture photography feature, taking a picture is as easy as giving a thumbs up. With a 20-minute endurance and HD image transmission, the K6 Pro RC Drone is the ultimate professional drone companion. So why wait? Get your hands on the K6 Pro RC Drone today and start capturing breathtaking aerial shots like never before. Guys, that is all I had for today. If you have not seen these videos, I suggest you watch them. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up.